Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on an ECM. Came in with low pressure and low pump pressure, and you can see it's nice and stable. Pump pressure, we're going to turn it on by testing a shot. Like that. As you can see, .28, very nice. Give that a little purge. Nice strong steam. Hot water comes out of the faucet. Machine is asking for water, building its steam back up. Anyway, thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.